So my example 1 got cut off, so we're just going to skip that and we'll go to example 2. So we need to put this equation in standard form, right? What is standard form? It's ax plus by equals c. So basically, I need the x and y to be on the same side, and I need the constant to be by itself. So when I look at this equation, what needs to move so that x and y can be on the same side? It's this 5x. I need to get this 5x over here with my 3y, okay? So how am I going to do that? So let me rewrite it a little bit bigger. This 5x is positive. So if I'm going to move it across the equal sign, I've got to do the opposite of positive, which is subtract. Okay? I'm going to subtract it on the other side. It's not a 5y, so it's got to hang out in space. Do not write it underneath the 3y because they are not like terms. So now you're just bringing everything down, and don't forget the signs. So the negative 5x, the 3y is positive, and then we bring down the negative 9. So right now it's in the right order, right? I have ax, by, c. But what's wrong with it? A cannot be negative, and right now a is negative 5. So whenever you have to get rid of a negative, like I said in the beginning, you can just divide everything by negative 1. You could also multiply it by negative 1. The same thing's going to happen. Basically, all of your signs are becoming their opposite. So since this was a negative 5x, it's now positive. Since this was a positive 3y, it's now negative. And since this was a negative 9, it's now positive. So now this equation is in standard form. Next, we need to solve this equation for y. The equation is 3y equals 5x minus 9. So basically, we need to put this in y equals mx plus b form. That's what it means when it says solve for y. I need the y by itself. So what's attached to my y right now? It's just the 3. So I just need to get rid of this 3 by doing the, I think it was the last step, divide everything by the coefficient. So everything is going to get divided by 3. So this becomes just y. This fraction is going to stay a fraction, okay? But I'm going to separate it from the x. So it's 5/3 x, and then I have minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. That's it. It's in the correct order because here's y, here's m, x, and b. So that's it for solving for y. Let's try some more.